Imagine a $20,000 robot freezing in your kitchen at midnight while holding a knife. I have not purchased this robot yet. Even if I ordered it right now, it would take months to arrive at my door. But I have been deeply examining all the technical leaks, patent files, and investor presentations of the 1X Neo model for days. The picture I saw both excited me a lot and seriously frightened me. There are competitors in the market like Tesla Optimus, produced by Elon Musk, or Figure 02, which has massive investments behind it. When I watch the test videos of those robots, I only see industrial-type workers. Tesla Optimus is made entirely of steel, a machine designed to carry heavy loads in factories. I cannot comprehend how one can be comfortable while a 100-kilogram pile of steel walks in the living room. This is exactly where the 1X Neo changes the game. According to the technical documents I researched, it weighs only 30 kilograms. It uses artificial muscle systems instead of gear wheels or hard hydraulic pumps. Thanks to this technology, it moves 50% quieter and 3 times more flexibly than its competitors. I love the idea of this soft anatomy designed not to cause harm when it bumps into a human. But not everything is this perfect. During my research, I also caught some major disadvantages. First of all, this faceless, smooth head design really seems terrifying to me. Living in the same house with a machine that has no eyes or facial expressions can be incredibly psychologically exhausting. Also, the battery capacity is a big problem. If you expect this robot to carry heavy grocery bags for hours or clean the whole house, I think its battery will drain very quickly. Its soft structure makes it safe, but it also means it cannot lift heavy loads like its industrial competitors. The cost aspect also troubled my mind a lot. When I look at the financial analysis reports, I predict that initially it will hit the market at the price of a mid-range new car, meaning in the $20,000 to $30,000 band. In the following years, its cost might drop, but at first it will be a luxury technology that can only enter the homes of the rich. The biggest nightmare for me is the security and privacy side. This robot is not just a pre-programmed cleaning machine. It is a device that sees everything with its cameras, learns and analyzes with its artificial intelligence brain. Nobody can guarantee that a machine learning the most private moments of my house, my mess, and my weaknesses will not leak this data to giant tech companies. I personally am not ready yet to open the map of my home to the internet just to get rid of doing the ironing. Should humans give up their privacy for comfort or keep all this robot technology away from home? Come on, subscribe now and please support me.